Hello everyone, welcome back. You are in my channel Ramakrishna Math Zone. This one memory based question from real analysis part C, December 2025 CSIR net exam. Okay, so question is given that a sequence of functions है, right? बोला है this function is defined like this and this sequence of function converges uniformly in which interval? Okay, फर्स्ट तो पहले पॉइंट वाइज कन्वर्जेंट के बारे में देख लेते हैं। यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम देखो क्या है। अच्छा, इफ 0 पॉइंट पे हम लोगों का कॉन्टिन्यूअस है कि डिसकंटिन्यूअस है पहले देख लेते हैं। ठीक है, क्लियरली यहाँ पे जो प्रॉब्लम है 0 पे ही प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, क्योंकि देखो यहाँ पे दिस जैसे फंक्शन को डिफाइन करके रखा है, इनसे क्लियरली लग रहा है जब n टेंड्स टू इंफिनिटी दैट टाइम x इक्वल टू 0 एंड दैट 0 पॉइंट हैज मे बी सम प्रॉब्लम। इफ x greater than 0 for large n, x greater than 1 by n, so fnx equal to 1, fnx equal to 1. If x less than 0 for large n, x less than minus 1 by n, that implies fnx equal to minus 1. Okay, and when if x equal to 0, that time fn0 equal to n into 0, that is basically 0. Okay, you got it. Now what is the next part? See, clearly दिख गया कि मेरा जो फंक्शन है, सीक्वेंस ऑफ फंक्शन है, सीक्वेंस ऑफ फंक्शन उसका नाम, राइट? सो उसका पॉइंट वाइज लिमिट इज क्या है ना, fx लिमिट n टेंड्स टू इंफिनिटी, fnx मीन्स fx इक्वल टू -1 होगा जब x लेस देन 0, 0 होगा जब x इक्वल टू 0 एंड 1 होगा जब x ग्रेटर देन 0। इसका मतलब द लिमिट फंक्शन f is discontinuous at x equal to 0, right? Discontinuous at x equal to 0. Got my point? Okay. Now the limit of the function f is discontinuous at x equal to 0. But if each fn is continuous on interval, then uniform limit of that continuous function must be continuous. But this one is not happen in this case because 0 at 0 that limit of function is not continuous, discontinuous at that point, and this one is inside 0, 1. इसका मतलब मेरा in this interval the sequence of function is not uniform continuous. Okay, तो मेरा जो A ऑप्शन था ये गलत है, मेरा जो A ऑप्शन था ये गलत है. Okay, this one wrong. What about B option? B option is given that B option is given 10 to the power minus 2025, 1. Now here for all x greater or equal to 1 by 10 power 2025 and for sufficiently large, you can say, sufficiently large n x greater than 1 by n. That implies fn x equal to fx equal to 1, and we know that implies, therefore supremum fn x minus fx equal to 0 for large n. So we are done for large n. So we are done. सो ये जब स्टेटमेंट हो गया कि सुप्रीमम ऑफ एफ एन एक्स माइनस एफ एक्स का वैल्यू 0 हो गया, दैट इम्प्लाइज यूनिफॉर्मली कॉन्वर्जेंट, राइट, यूनिफॉर्मली कॉन्वर्जेंट। अच्छा, इसका मतलब मेरा जो सेकेंड ऑप्शन था ये सही हो गया। थर्ड ऑप्शन बोल रहा है ओपन 0 क्लोज 1। ओके, लेट्स ट्राई ओपन 0 क्लोज 1। Open 0 close 1, for this interval also fn x equal minus fx basically 1 minus 1. So if we consider supremum of x fn x, this one is basically 0 again. So we are done. So we are done, uniformly convergent. Okay, you got my point. Near x equal to 0 we are done. Okay. Now C option also correct. D option, what about D option? Let's try. C option also correct. What about D option? Now D implies 10 power 2025 minus 2 10 power 2025 plus. That implies this contain 0. That interval contains 0, and at the point 0 the limit of the function, the limit function, sequence of function का जो limit function है, that is not continuous at that point. So in this interval fn is not uniformly continuous. Okay, you got my point. So overall we can say D option also not correct. आपका आंसर हो जाएगा B and C. I hope this solution is helpful for you. If you like this solution, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.